Hey, so if Dropbox is not showing files on your PC, yeah, like your folders look empty, files are missing, or nothing is syncing properly, that can be really confusing. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, make sure your internet is working properly. I mean, Dropbox can't load or sync files without a stable connection. Next, yeah, click the Dropbox icon in your system tray and check if it says syncing, paused, or offline. If syncing is paused, just click Resume Syncing. Sometimes it gets paused after updates or network issues. Now, make sure you're logged into the correct Dropbox account. I mean, files won't show if you're signed into the wrong email. Yeah? Restart Dropbox from the system tray. This forces a fresh sync and can bring missing files back. Now, check selective sync settings. If folders are unchecked, they won't appear on your PC. Yeah? Make sure hidden items are enabled in File Explorer. Sometimes files are there, but just hidden. If it's still missing, sign out of Dropbox and sign back in. This refreshes your file list. And finally, yeah, reinstall Dropbox if nothing works. This fixes corrupted sync data and restores missing files. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox not showing files on PC. Most of the time, it's sync settings, account issues, or connection problems. Try these steps and your files should come back. Thanks for watching.